Isn't it a great night tonight? One day, this is your place. Give yourselves a big applause. My life has changed completely since I met Atomy 8 years ago. Not only mine, but my husband's too. And now he's making a second home in Korea, doing his full-time mission work after retiring. And that was his dream. So he's living his dream. Now I'm living my dream, traveling all over the world, meeting new people. And this is great. This is only that Atomy could have done for us. CO Park. And all the leaders who have given their vision had me see the new ways of life through Atomy, and in itself is a blessing. So to me, that is my mission, to share the love of God through Atomy. And this is a wonderful life. Dream again. Dream the dream that you have lost. Find it again. Dream big. Never, never give up until that you reach that dream. You can do it if I, as a pastor's wife, could have done. Right? We have the freedom to do what we want, but freedom comes with a price. And I wish you all the success, and God bless.
Thank you. Thank you so much, man. Congrats again on your promotion. Let's please give another big hands to new Star Master, Esther Lee.